For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device for that matter. So it could be the Samsung S10 Ultra tablet, the S9 Ultra, pretty much any device within the last couple of years is going to be able to run this. And it's an app called Good Lock, and I'm going to take you right from the ground zero all the way up here, so I'll show you how to install it. There's a certain section of that app that has other apps in it that we're going to be concerned with. So let's go ahead and dig right in. So go to Store. This is your Google Store. Then you want to search for Good Lock. Enter. And obviously on mine I already have it installed. Here's Good Lock. Go ahead and hit play or open Good Lock. Then you have two tabs at the bottom, Makeup and Life Up. For our video purpose for today, we're interested in this one right here, quickstar. There's also Life Up, which has a lot of neat stuff in it. We'll get into that eventually. I can show you some really neat shortcuts and things that haven't been done before. So let's go to Makeup first, and we'll work on this one for today. So quickstar, go ahead and tap that, and it'll default with it off. So go ahead and turn it on. Then I'm going to go through each one of these with you. So you can style your own quick panel if you want. Turn that on, and then all your quick panel stuff will have different colors, different themes. I've not messed with that myself, but that's something another way to tweak your colors of your quick panel. This right here, you can tweak all those colors and do different things with. So the next one is visibility of indicator icons. So you tap on that, and you can turn off your expanded panel, your lock screen, your alarm, your volume. You can turn any of those off. Personally, I leave all my stuff on. I don't want turning things off, but you can if you'd like it that way. So let's go back. Third is clock settings. I use this quite a bit. Show date, status bar indicator clock displays date as like tablet. Show AM, PM, I don't. I use 24-hour format. Show the seconds. So as you can see, clock with quick panel will show seconds. So there's my quick panel showing the seconds. Then you can change it left, right, hide. I like it on the left side, so there's my date and time, and here it tells before changing the position, blah blah blah. It'll go over some information. So that's your clock setting. Apply color palette to more notification icons. Again, color palette applies to more notification icons. On the quick panel, it may not apply to some icons. Here's the one I wanted to get to today more than anything. Change quick setting button and grid. So we're going to turn that off, and this is what it looks like stock. So you have a 4x3, so you have 12 icons in this grouping here. So factory is only a 3x4, which is 12 different icons. Okay, you can change that. Let's go back here by doing the change quick setting button grid, and I put it all the way over. So now you drag down, you have a 5x3, you have 15, so you gain a whole bunch. So it's just one more way of making everything right available quickly to you. So that's a neat option. Another option I use is quick setting instant access. So your quick panel expanded once. So what they're saying is on the left side, if I use notification, on the very left side I pull down, there's notifications. If I pull down on the right side, I get my expanded view. So instead of going in the middle and then doing it again, so you're saving a step, I can pull down on the left, I get that, and on the right, actually the left, I already was there, sorry. So on the left, I get that one, and then on the right, we'll get the expanded view. So it's really a neat, quick shortcut. So like they say, quickstar. So that's my video on Quickstar. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.